Good morning children. Let us come to our next topic, that is changing the text color. Let us see what is that changing the text color. Microsoft Word provides an option to change the color of the text in the following way. Here are the steps to change the color of the text. Select the text and click on the Home tab. Click on the drop down arrow next to the font color button. On the font group, select the desired color from the display font color menu. See children, in your classworks, while you are writing the question and answer, you will write the question with the black pen and answer with the blue pen. By changing the pen, you will change the color of the text. But in the system, while you are typing, your text color is in black color. Here also we have an option to change the color of the text. How we will change the color of the text? Just after typing the text, you select the text and go to the font color option. The A symbol, the capital A symbol with a red mark underneath it, shows the font color in the font group. This is the font group area. In this, here we see the font color. By clicking on the down arrow, you can find the colors. Now I want to change the color into the red. See, here likewise how we change the color. This is after typing. Before typing also you can change the color. Before typing also you can change the color by clicking on the down arrow and changing the option automatic to other color. You can change the color of the text. Next comes the topic changing text case. Here in our notes, while we are writing in our classworks, we know only about the uppercase and the lowercase. Uppercase means capital letters, lowercase means small letters. But in the computer we can change the sentence to the sentence case, capital each word, lowercase, uppercase and total case. Let us learn about this change case. You can change the case of existing text without retyping it in Microsoft Word by using the change case option available in the font group. By using the change case option in the font group. Word 2010 provides 5 types of case conversions, which are as follows. First, let us see the first case, that is sentence case. What is the meaning of the sentence case? Capitalizing the first letter of the selected sentence. Here, see, for example, he has given, this is a test document. He has given a sentence, this is a text document. Here in the sentence case, only the letter T, the first letter T is in a capital letter and all the other letters are in a small case, in a lower case. Means they are the small letters. Only T is in capital. This type of case is called as a sentence case. This type of case is called as a sentence case. And next comes the lower case. Converting the selected text to a lower case. Lower case means all the sentence. The sentence which we are selecting, the whole sentence will be converted into the small letters. Here, when we are typing the sentence case, we have given T as a capital. But in the lower case, when we are selecting the text and clicking on the lower case option, the whole text will be changed to the small letters. Changed into small letters. Next comes the uppercase. Uppercase means capital letters. Converting the selected text to the uppercase. See here, the same sentence, if you select it and click on the uppercase, each and every word, each and every letter is converted into the capital letter. Each and every letter is converted into capital letter. This is called as the uppercase. Next comes the capitalizing each word. Means changing the first character of each selected word to uppercase. Changing the first character means the first letter. Here this is a test document. In this, what are the first letters? T in the word this. That is converted to the capital, and all the other three letters are converted into small case. Is, is. These two letters. In these two letters, what is the first character? I is the first character. So I is converted into capital and S is converted into small. Here only A. We have a single character. Either that is only the first and that is only the last for that. So it is considered as the first character and converted to a capital. Test document. Here we have 4 characters. In that, what is the first character? T is the first character. So T is kept into the capital and all the other 3 characters are converted into small. Document. In the sentence document, we have 8 characters. In these 8 characters, D is considered as the first, because we start the document spelling with the letter D. So it is converted into capital and all the other characters are converted into small. Next comes the total case. What is a total case? Converting each case of every selected character in reverse manner. In reverse manner means the capital letters are converted into small and small are converted into capital. See the difference between the capitalizing each word and total. By observing these 2 sentences, you can clearly understand what is the difference in the total case. Here T is capital, here T is small. Here in the word this, THIS, only the letter T is capital. But in a total case, it reverses. The T becomes small and all the other 3 characters became the capital. Means vice versa. The capital letters became the small letters and the small letters became the capital letters. See children, in the system, in the font case, in the font group, you can see the sentence case clearly. First comes the sentence case. Next comes the lower case, upper case, capitalizing each word, total. Here in the heading only you can find what is a total case. Here see, here while we are writing, we will write T as a capital and OGGLE as a small letters. But in the total case, as it is a vice versa, it is showing T as a small letter and all the other characters as a capital. In the letter case also, CASC, the starting character C should be capital, but it is as it is a total case, C is small and all the other characters are in the capital letters. That's all for this videos. Children, let us continue the other topics in the other videos. Thank you.